Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will perform experiment number 14 to display the change in resistance according to variation of intensity of light in electrical measurement systems using LDR. Let us see what is an LDR. An LDR is a component that has a variable resistance that changes with the light intensity that falls upon it. This allows them to be used in light sensing circuits. Its dark resistance should be of the order of 1 to 2 megaohms. By dark resistance, we mean its resistance when you keep it covered from the external light. The main objective of this experiment is to display the behavior of light-dependent transducers in electrical measurement systems using LDR. Next we move towards the apparatus we will be using in this experiment. We will be using LDR, resistor, LED and transistor. NIL. Let us see how this LDR works. This resistor works on the principle of photoconductivity. It is nothing but when the light falls on this surface, then the material conductivity reduces, and also the electrons in the valence band of the devices are excited to the conduction band. These photons in the incident light must have energy greater than the band gap of the semiconductor material. This makes the electrons to jump from the valence band to the conduction band. These devices depend on the light. When the light falls on the LDR, then the resistance decreases and increases in the dark. When a LDR is kept in the dark place, its resistance is high, and when the LDR is kept in the light, its resistance will decrease. Let us see how this circuit works in the laboratory. This is our LDR. This is 10 kilo ohm resistance. When the value of LDR increases or decreases, a voltage drop appears at the input of the transistor and on or off depending upon the voltage at its input. This is an LED connected with 1 kilo ohm resistance. When the transistor is at on condition, the current flows through this branch and our LED starts blinking, and when there is no current or no voltage at input, our LED will not be blinking. This is our LED. This is the resistance in series. This is our LDR, and this is the 10 kilo ohm resistance. And next is our transistor. We have applied a VCC from our NIMS board, that is 5 volts. Let us on our board to see what happens. You can observe that the LED is blinking as the light is falling on the LDR. If we put our finger on the LDR, the LED is not blinking. This is due to the change in the resistance of the LDR. It means we have providing a dark area by putting our finger on it, and if we remove, the light comes on the LDR and the LED starts blinking. This is how our our LDR works.